So I'll be going over here common reasons and common errors as to why your sitemap is not fetching for your Shopify store. So if I just head to Google Search Console here, although it's successful now, you might get a warning here such as couldn't fetch. Your sitemap could not be read. And so overall, there are a few common reasons that are the most likely causes as to why it's not showing. So the first one here is that you have password protection still enabled for your store. So we can easily test this if we head to our Shopify store. And if you go under Online Store, under Preferences, and you can see that password protection has been enabled for this store. And that's because this store is currently in development. Users need that password to access it. And in turn, Google's not going to be able to read the sitemap correctly. So once you're on a non-development plan, you can disable this. You can easily test this as well. If you were just to copy your URL, I'll click View Your Online Store. I'm going to copy my URL. And if I head to a new browser here and I go and enter my URL at the top, I can see it's password protected. So that is probably one of the most common reasons as to why the sitemap is not fetching. Our next most common reason is that there's an error in the sitemap URL. So Shopify is going to generate these sitemaps automatically. So there's no need to worry about the generation there, or at least there shouldn't be a need to worry. What we want to do is make sure that our URL is properly configured. So if we go to the documentation here, every sitemap is going to be located at /sitemap.xml. In our URL here, if we go to /sitemap, this should display correctly, or you should see some type of information. Now this is a development store, so there's going to be nothing here. And so if you head into your Google Search Console, you can see what you've submitted. And you just want to make sure that's been configured correctly. Lastly, there can also just be a temporary delay in indexing. So if you're not seeing your site load correctly in Google search results, I would first check the status in Google Search Console to see if it's been submitted correctly. And if it has, it might just take a few days to get everything indexed overall. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. You have all your different costs from your cost of goods sold, all your ad spend, transaction fees, chargebacks, and much more. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator that makes it super easy to get the exact profit that your store has made. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking to analyze, and it's going to give you all your profitability metrics, as well as a ton of different analytics, so you can start making smarter business decisions. It syncs seamlessly with your Shopify store, so you can get set up in just seconds. I'll leave a link in the description below. There's a 15-day free trial where you can test drive everything for yourself, and their customer support is great. Just click the chat bubble in the bottom right here. So again, I'll leave a link in the description below. Make sure you check that out. So in conclusion, that's a few troubleshooting issues that should help fix your sitemap not fetching. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.